we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Magandang tanghali, fellow engineers, sa mga aspiring people na gustong tahaki ng landas ng RF engineering dito sa Pilipinas. Welcome to another episode of RF Engineering, the Beginner's Guide. Okay, so ngayon pag-uusapan natin mga ka-RF is yung 700 MHz band in the Philippines. So ano ba tong 700 MHz band, no? So saan natin to ginagamit at ano ang mga applications dito sa telecom world ngayon. Okay, let's start. So 700 MHz band, ginagamit to particularly for LTE 700. So yung LTE natin is operating at FDD mode. So pag sinabi nating FDD mode, we have the frequency division duplex. So we are transmitting and receiving information at the same time using different frequencies in the uplink and the downlink. So yung downlink, this is the forward link. So from the E node B, is the E node B going to the UE, the user equipment, no? And then for the uplink, it's from the user equipment going to E node B. Just take note mga ka-RF, no? Kapag ka LTE technology yung pinag-uusapan, ang handset natin ay tinatawag nating UE at ang ating radio transceiver ay tinatawag nating E node B. So just to take a small review again, so kapag ka GSM yan, ang tawag natin ay mobile station at base transceiver station naman kapag ka radio transceiver natin. While for UMTS, it's a user equipment and node B. Ngayon sa ating LTE, ang tawag natin dyan ay E node B or evolved node B. Yan. So ang uplink frequency natin ay nag-start from 703 to 748 MHz. So 45 MHz uplink and paired to 45 MHz downlink starting from 758 MHz up to 803 MHz. So it's a very good frequency for LTE na pwedeng gumamit from 1.4 MHz, 3 MHz, 5 MHz, 10, 15, and 20 MHz bandwidth for LTE. Ayan. Okay. So ang duplex spacing niya is 55 MHz. So from the first frequency in the uplink up to the second frequency, first frequency in the downlink is 55 MHz. And then ang ating duplex band is 10 MHz duplex gap. Okay, so that's for the LTE 700 or the 700 MHz band. Okay, so I hope you learned something today about the 700 MHz band. So if you have any comments, suggestions, just email us at rfengineerphilippines@gmail.com or like us on Facebook at rfengineerph. So thank you very much for joining us today in this new episode of RF Engineering, the Beginner's Guide. And I'll see you again soon.